On my last video, I designed a table tennis board game, right? Then I promised to make a prototype motion of it, which is what I'm doing now. So if you notice, I made a duplicate copies of the frame into many places. Observe the top frame, you see that I changed it to button down and bolt up, so that while prototyping, I can know the frame to link and connect to. You get? So in the second frame, the ball will be down. That's the button down. That's why I named the frame to button down. Try to pay attention here. I made sure I zoom it properly so that you would see it from your end. Okay, because any mistake here can determine if your prototype will work. You get the point now. If you are a learner or someone that has the zeal to learn UI UX, don't see this design as a hard task. No. So far you have the zeal. I give you a week, 2 weeks. You have learned all the basics. I want you to see my channel as an inspiration, because I'm also learning. I'm not an expert. I'm not a senior designer. I'm also a learner. We can learn together. If you like what I'm doing, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ring the bell notification, like, and then share to your friends who would want to take this part with us. Look on your screen now. You see a preview of the motion prototype. The ball is going back and forth, up and down. Tell me what you feel about it on the comment section.